Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel Odoo subscription. If you're currently using either an Odoo free trial or a paid subscription, and you've decided you no longer want it to renew, the good news is that the process is usually straightforward and can be completed directly from your Odoo account. This is helpful if you're only testing Odoo, switching to another platform, or simply no longer need the subscription. To begin, sign into your Odoo account through the Odoo account portal. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or subscription. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the main account area, where your personal and billing settings are available. This helps avoid canceling the wrong subscription by mistake. From there, open the My Account section. This is where Odoo typically stores your account details, plan information, and billing-related settings. If the layout looks slightly different depending on your version or account type, that's normal, but you'll want to look for the area related to payments, plans, or account management. In some accounts, these options may appear under billing, subscription, or contract details. Next, go to the billing or subscription section. This is the part of the account where you can review your current plan, renewal settings, and any active services attached to your profile. If you have more than one subscription listed, carefully identify the one you want to cancel so you don't make changes to the wrong service. Check details like the database name, plan type, renewal date, and billing amount before continuing. Once you've found the correct subscription, select the active subscription to open its details. In that section, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription or Disable Auto Renewal. The wording can vary a little, but both options are meant to stop future billing. If you only see an auto renewal option, disabling it usually means the subscription will not renew at the next billing date. This is useful if you still want access until the current period ends, but do not want to be charged again. After that, confirm the cancellation when prompted. Odoo may ask you to verify your choice before applying the change, so read the confirmation message carefully. In most cases, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period, even after cancellation. That means you can usually continue using the service for the time you've already paid for, or through the remainder of the free trial, if applicable. Before the access ends, you may also want to export important data, invoices, reports, or customer records if you need them later. As a final tip, after you cancel, it's a good idea to double-check that the subscription status has been updated in your account. You may also want to look for a confirmation email or on-screen confirmation for your records. That way, you can be sure the cancellation was successfully submitted. If you do not receive confirmation, it may be worth checking the billing section again or contacting Odoo support for help. And that's how to cancel an Odoo subscription.